a tornado or not.
Yeah, we'll see. And that I remember from this morning, there was a time where the line was passing right by Panama City and there was a big tornado warning right over Panama City, Florida. So that was likely from that. For us, what we saw was a couple of trees down at Slidell and also at Abita Springs, and a lot of smaller, sort of more minor damage in different locations. You may also have seen coastal flooding, of course, if you were along the coastline. That thankfully is easing, and our warnings and advisories for coastal flooding are now finished at this point. Notice the line still tracking across Florida and into Georgia and along the coast of the southeast U.S. But we are dry and we are clear and sunny. We have temperatures in the 50s, but it's feeling a little chillier with that wind, which is still gusting in from the west. Temperatures right now in the 50s. We did pick up about 2+ inches of rain, combining yesterday's afternoon round of rain plus the overnight line of storms that we got early today. Our winds were very gusty from the south. Now they're from the west, but still pretty gusty, near 40-mile-per-hour gusts. Will continue until 6 p.m. with a wind advisory to account for that gusty kind of weather from the west. But then our winds will be calming down later on. So clearing skies, in fact, mostly clear skies. Our temperatures this evening drop through the 40s, so we'll have a chilly feel, and you can track those wind speeds. You can see a big drop off in the wind speeds after sunset, more like 5 or 10-mile-per-hour winds, mainly from the west, expected overnight tonight. Also tonight, very cold. Temperatures in the 30s, not extremely cold, but we'll be at a light freeze or frost range north of the lake and upper 30s south of Lake Pontchartrain. So these are the temperatures you're waking up to early tomorrow morning, starting your Wednesday in the 30s. So you'll want to make sure if you are in the 37-ish and below range, that's where some frost could form. Protect your plants, pets, and people. Along the South Shore in New Orleans, I think we'll be just above that, and along the coast as well. And we'll be looking to protect pets as well as people. Don't have to worry so much about plants. I wanted to jump ahead to Friday and show you what we're expecting for our next system. This is early Friday morning, Friday afternoon, showers and a few storms, maybe a severe threat a little farther to the north of our area on Friday, but we might see some fringes of our area or even some of our area at least a low end risk for a couple of severe storms. But then by Friday night, it looks like the system will be out of here and we'll have a cooler weekend. In fact, here's your weekend forecast as you make your plans. Saturday and Sunday looks dry, and it actually looks like cold mornings, maybe even a touch colder Sunday morning with another light freeze or frost north of the lake both days, and then temperatures in the middle to upper 30s south of the lake and highs in the 50s. And Saturday especially chilly, as we'll only top out near 50. That means we're spending most of the day in the 40s, and it might be a little bit breezy early in the day too. I was mentioning next week, and we're seeing some indications from the models that we might see some Arctic air able to get pulled all the way south toward us with a front coming on Monday. So our Monday rain chance is about 50%. It looks like that front will drag in some of that cold air. So this is tentative. We're about a full week out, but models right now have maybe 20s for Tuesday morning, and the afternoon even maybe in the upper 30s for highs. The exact temperature range will change a little bit, but we'll just keep you updated. Right now, our 7-day only goes out to Monday. But again, be prepared for those temperatures, maybe in the 20s or 30s for Monday night into early Tuesday, and then Tuesday staying quite chilly. We'll keep you updated as we get closer.